Hi guys, today I'm making marshmallow chocolate brownies from scratch for Daddy.
Okay.
Look for the camera person who's right behind me. Turn it around. Time to go baking.
Okay, what are you doing first?
Melt together your dark chocolate and unsalted butter until smooth in the microwave.
What's the next step after that? You could do
Use an electric whisk stand mixer. Whisk your eggs and sugar together for 5 minutes or so on high speed or until the mixture has been doubled in volume.
Right, so you are going to put the sugar in the silver bowl and then that's fine. And add your eggs.
Favorite part? The eggs. Follow them. Ow. We also make these videos from scratch too. Ow, that hurt. More injuries before, which were a lot more painful. Like getting burnt.
Okay, then what do you do when you're done with eggs?
Wash your hands. It's tiny. Yeah, I've also got my mummy to help me. Kind of have to listen to sharp whisk. But we've officially finished our noisy mix thingy.
Okay, you're going to pour this into that mixture.
Let's get it through.
Okay, and then another whisk, so we'll be back after this short whisk.
Yep. We pour the flour and whatever the cocoa powder to this.
Yeah.
Micro splooshy. Let's see if it got a sploosh. Oh yeah, it really does. Mixy mixy. See you. Next, add first marva. This.
Those and this, yeah.
There and then. So I saw just some scissors somewhere around here. There they were. So add these first, I think. Yeah. So add a marble and frozen, let's say. Not frozen, type, but just
You get normal, you chop them up and you freeze them before you bake.
yeah.
Keep going, one of them is going.
One by one. Oh, stick together ones. You mixy misky. I give you gifts.
Okay, and then your chocolate bits.
Oh yeah. These will go in. And like and subscribe to us. That will really help us out.
Right, do you think that's going to be too heavy for you to pour into the tin?
Even though I do have muscles,
You do.
they're very small. The selection of me is huge. Got my. She doesn't want to be in the video because she thinks she looks like a scruff bag. And it's the person who was in my gaming video, my mum. Her hair's very messy. I can give her that.
Okay, so next we're going to put it in the oven.
In the oven. Where's my oven mitt? Oven mitt. Ah. Oh, it's quite heavy.
It's hot. Okay, now take your plain one. That's it. Well done.
I'm still so terrifying right now.
See you in half an hour.
So is this a surprise?
Well, it's out of the microwave. Time to cut it. So normally I just do this part first. And about this with your pig.
Wow, it's going to be a huge piece.
You're a pig, though. That is true, guys. Right there.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. You having some?
Nah.
Oh. Got a plate?
Yeah. My knife is out early. Don't worry, this is not.
Do you want spatula? Do you want me to just pick it up?
No, I can.
Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Thanks. Oh, cool, that's filling. Okay. This is Mars bar chocolate brownie.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still hot inside.
We made it from scratch.
Mmm,
It was hard.
delicious. I like it.
I gotta go and do my drawing now.
Okay.
Like and subscribe and bye.